This is my kiddie pool that I used to catch rainwater and like let it get kind of green and gross, because I know that like green and gross is good for the plants, I guess. But I get a lot of questions about, or I've had questions about mosquitoes and like it harboring mosquitoes and like mosquito farming here. And I haven't really had that issue simply because I think I agitate it enough. I'm always getting water to water the plants, so like it agitates it so the larvae don't like it. And plus I have seen larvae in here, and you know what I do? I'll scoop them out and I'll water my plants with them, and it's not that big of a deal. We don't have a big mosquito problem even using this because I'm actively agitating it, using it, scooping the larvae away. So for real, if you have a baby pool, use that pool to collect rainwater for your plants. Even if you just use your like hose water to fill it up, over a couple days the chlorine in the water will go away and the water will be better for your plants because it doesn't have that the chemicals that hurt them a little bit. Obviously you can water your garden with your hose, but by letting the water like let go of the chlorine and all the other chemicals in it, your plants will be happier. I love you. We got this. Let's go.